Available on select 2020 and newer Toyota models, Remote Connect will allow you to complete specific remote vehicle commands from your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant-enabled device on select smartwatches. Certain commands can also be completed via your vehicle's key fob. Remote Connect is available on vehicles equipped with the following connected services by Toyota multimedia packages: Audio Plus with Remote and Premium Audio with Remote. After you have successfully downloaded the Toyota app and enrolled in your connected services, you'll be able to access a variety of useful commands from the comfort of wherever you are. To activate Remote Connect on your vehicle, select Enter Authorization Code, and the app will send a passcode to the email account you used for registration. Once you have this passcode, enter it into the Remote Connect Authorization app, which can be accessed in the app menu on your vehicle's display screen. As long as your vehicle is in an area where there is reliable cellular service, and your smartphone is located in an area with internet connection, you can complete these commands. Check vehicle status and alerts. Whenever you open the app, you can check the status of your vehicle's doors, windows, as well as the vehicle's current fuel level, odometer reading, and distance to empty. You can remotely start your vehicle to warm or cool the interior based on the last climate control settings the vehicle was programmed at before shutting off. The engine or hybrid system will run for up to 10 minutes or until any door is opened or the engine is turned off remotely. To complete the command, press and hold the Engine Start-Stop button for 1 second until the red circle around the button starts spinning. After a few seconds, you'll receive confirmation if the action was successful. It is important to note that the app does not replace the function of your key fob. You will not be able to begin driving your vehicle without the fob. Door lock unlock. On either side of the remote engine start button, you'll see a lock and unlock icon. To complete the command, simply press and hold the button for 1 second until the red circle around the button starts spinning. After a few seconds, you'll receive confirmation that the action was successful. And should you unlock your Toyota remotely, the doors will automatically relock shortly after if no further action takes place. Last parked location. The last parked location feature makes finding your vehicle on the street or in an uncovered parking lot easier than ever. Using the map in the app, it can help guide you to your vehicle's last known parked location. Guest driver settings. Are there other people driving your vehicle from time to time? Do you use valet services often? Rest assured knowing that you can set parameters on speed, curfew, kilometers driven, engine runtime, and distance from a set location. If your parameters have been exceeded, the Toyota app will notify you by sending an alert. Before you can start using any of these features, you will need to download the Toyota app and enroll in your connected vehicle services. Please note that you must have an active Remote Connect subscription to use any of its compatible technologies, including the Toyota Skill for Amazon Alexa, the Toyota Action for Google Assistant, or smartwatch compatibility. Check out the Know Your Toyota Toyota app video for easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. Before you use Remote Connect, ensure that you are doing so in a safe and compliant manner. For more information, please visit Toyota.ca/connected. Thank you for watching this Know Your Toyota video.